Hi, welcome to the fourth Data, Information and Technology meeting. This meeting discusses the theme Access to Data and Information Science, Applications, Trends and Reflections. Focused on this theme are a research group formed by Morgana, Andrade, UFES, Paula, Regina, Gonçalez, UFES, Decio, Berti Jr., UEL, Annalice, Baptista, UMinho, and Caio, Saraiva, Coneglian, Univem, bring to the following reflection. What we have to do for responsible data science? Considering all the access to data available today, we need to think about its responsible use. Increasing data volume has changed the way research, governance, socialization, and business are being conducted. Investments, whether financial or human resources, have been made in data science, artificial intelligence, and data technologies. In parallel to this, there is a concern shared by society, governments, and researchers regarding the responsible use of data. The concern towards the use and publication of data without respect for privacy and leading to unfair and or biased conclusions from different citizens. Responsible data science seeks to develop methods and techniques to support the publication and use of data following the fairness, accuracy, confidentiality, transparency facts, to provide technology to ensure these principles at the development stage and to create multidisciplinary platforms. Research design. This works descriptive research in which the bibliographic search was performed from the Scopus and Web of Science database and with the Google Scholar search engine. The documentary research was developed on websites that address the present theme: Responsible Data Science, Data Science Center Eindhoven, and GE 301 Group 7. The researches were conducted using the terms Responsible Data Science, Fairness, Accuracy, Confidentiality, Transparency and Data Science, Fact and Data Science, Fair and Fact. In the web context, there is a change the way knowledge is generated, based on data. Follows the logic of the new experientialism, in which knowledge is derived from experimental observations, not theory. In this new paradigm, concerns arise about data, mainly how data may be used irresponsibly. A consortium for responsible data science, RDS, was launched in 2016, taking ethical and legal challenges in developing data science techniques, infrastructure, and approaches responsible for fair, accurate, process, and confidential design transparent data. This initiative involves disciplines as data mining, digital humanities, ethics, information retrieval, knowledge representation, law, machine learning, natural language processing, security, statistics, and visualization. This can be applied to media, safety, and health domains. The automatic data decision may be unfair and not transparent. Confidential data may be unintentionally shared or misused by third party. Inaccuracy can be generated from the incorporation of biases by algorithms, among other problems. RDS initiative aims to develop a sustainable model for data science based on ethical values and the application of techniques under the requirements of impartiality, accountability, transparency, and confidentiality by conception. A data age produces exponentially diverse data, whose challenges the collection, storage, and analysis of this data. In this environment, powerful techniques such as data mining, machine learning, database, and visualization have been developed to improve lives by offering new services and products with higher quality and efficiency. That science pipeline facing fact challenges and by Responsible data science is one of the foundations of digital transformation, and there is a need to adopt guidelines towards responsible data science. There is a need to adopt standards towards responsible data science, according to Paplardo, Grossi, and Pedrich. Social mining and big data ecosystems for open and responsible data science are necessary. Strengthening the existing clusters of excellence in social data mining research and also strive at creating global interdisciplinary communities of social data sciences fostered by extensive training, networking, and innovation activities. An automatic data decision may be unfair and not transparent. Confidential data may be unintentionally shared or misused by a third party. Inaccuracy can be generated from the incorporation of biases by algorithms, among other problems. Responsible Data Science Initiative aims to develop a sustainable model for data science based on ethical values and the application of techniques under requirements of impartiality, accountability, transparency, and confidentiality by conceptions. RDS initiatives have the following questions for each of the fact, which is fairness, data science without prejudice, how to avoid unfair constructions even if they are true, accuracy, data science without guesswork, how to answer questions with the guaranteed level of accuracy, confidentiality, data science that ensures confidentiality, how to answer questions without revealing secrets, and transparency, data science that provides transparency, how to clarify answers such as that they become indisputable. Discussion. Although of unparalleled importance for answering questions related to ethics, economics, and social aspects, the signaling of fact guidelines in the literature is still thin. In the articles consulted, transparency is the principle most commented on by most articles consulted, which denotes the concern of authors with the society's demand on the subject closely related to the public availability of data. The principle of confidentiality and was the second most addressed, followed by impartiality and precision. In analyzing these results, we note that there are difficulties in adopting the principles equality of and effectively. Examples are actions that, while preserving confidentiality and impartiality, affect levels of transparency. When we consider through the approach of Bauman's liquid modernity, the directions that most denote the social side, we find that they may be more complex, especially in matters of data discrimination and sensitivity. According to the initiatives that show how RDS technology is being worked, it is inferred that data processing systems demand greater flexibility to adapt to vertiginous changes in directions caused by the flow resulting from the pressure exerted conditions common to net life. Conclusion. The development of such data analysis technology according to the fact model of a responsible data science approach is of crucial importance because failure to implement its approach in data technologies can result in undesirable consequences for society, impacting on three elements: privacy, security, and responsibility. Therefore, the search for a balance between these four principles should be pursued by both developers and data managers. Thanks. Contact us through emails.